Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. All right, we're going to try to get 2 flights in on the Avanti 90 real quick, and try not to, I'm floating there, try not to make my camera precious unhappy by flying too close over her head. Right, left, up, down, right, left.
Take off flaps.
Got the KM model afterburner there, going to fly in my high rates. Let me get where I can see. Got the AS3X on board. I do not have a nose wheel gyro going. I don't think I have, if I don't remember right, I don't think I have an open channel for it. So, all right, I have to remember. If I do, I'll do it, but I don't have it. I won't be able to do it today. All right, here we go. Takeoff flaps.
Flaps are up. Gear is up. Time remaining 3 minutes.
I have no idea what I just did, but that was cool. And this is why you need a good Velcro strap. All right, enough hot dogging.
Retracts deployed. Landing flaps.
Enough hot dogging.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
So our 2-minute landing warning. Now we'll do some high-speed passes.
Braking. Brakes, flaps are up.
All right, we're going to take off from down there. All right.
Take off flaps. Gear is up. Landing flaps.
All right, see how low we can get this Avanti. Oh! Almost touched the ground.
Landing flaps.
Let's do that again.
That's beautiful.
Let's do that again.
Time remaining 1 minute.
All right, folks. See how low we can get it to go. Or how safely we can get it to go.
Flaps are up.
All right.
Retracts deployed. Landing flaps.
Let's land it. Give it a few minutes. We'll come back and change back. Well, I think we're going to run out of light. We may not be able to do a second flight.
Braking. 30 seconds.
All right, love that KM model afterburner.
Seconds.
Only got 20 seconds left, but I was hitting it pretty hard. I don't want to push the battery. We'll go ahead and give you a battery report here while I have enough light. All right, prop off. Make sure you want to have, it doesn't matter whether it's an EDF or a prop. Get in the habit of turning that off, because you might get, have the prop, you get talking to someone, you don't really bump the throttle, and now you're going to the emergency room with a big old scar on your arm like I've got. Ask me how I know. That's the hard way. All right, had 18 seconds left on that battery. Real quick, let me show you my placement. It's basically, you see your strap about a quarter in on that front strap, 3/4 of the way on that back strap, and that's a 5000 Turnigy graphene battery. Has a 40C discharge. Let me unplug that beautiful KM model afterburner real quick. Thank you, KM Models, for letting me review your afterburners, which I love them. Absolutely love them. They don't interfere with signal, and they feed off your battery lead. So you don't have to worry about them eating into your servos or any of that stuff. They feed off the battery lead. 23%, so yeah, I definitely don't want to take it up again. Let's talk about real quick. I do have the thrust vectoring nozzle in there. Otherwise, there's no way I could have pulled off some of them stunts. Whoa, let me fall down. My regular plane rates that I flew in, high rates only, 100% on the ailerons. Rudder, 100%, 50% expo. On that aileron, that was 40% expo. And on the rudder, 100%, 50% expo, and both the elevator and the rudder are tied to the thrust vectoring. I didn't put them on a regular switch. It's really only super effective when you're up, slower speeds up high, and you can really affect it. But it's normal cruising, don't let that thrust vectoring nozzle throw you. It's fine. All right, now my AS3X settings real quick. We're going to get out of here. AS3X settings, my gains. Now these are the two brothers settings for AS3X. The roll at 20%, pitch at 65, yaw at 40. I went off his and changed my priority to 100 all across the board on all roll, pitch, and yaw. Heading, nothing, didn't do anything with heading. Stop lock, I increased, instead of, he has at 35, I increased all mine to 50. I like the way that, that sudden stop. And on for release rate, same stock, 55, 55, and 75 on roll, pitch, and yaw. And there you go. And I don't have the nose wheel engaged. I probably could, but I just haven't done it yet. But she flies fine. Did I go over flap settings? No, I didn't. Real quick, flap settings. Flaps up, -90, no mix. Takeoff, 20%, no mix. Landing, 70% positive with a 10% down elevator mix. 2-second deployment. And last but not least, CG on the plane. I don't remember the numbers, it'll be in the description, but if you look at the decals where those two lines come in, I've got 2 spots there. That's where she CG's at. And for upside down with the gear down, she's fine. Turn her over. I've actually got 2 glue bumps there so I can feel it. And perfectly level right there. And like I said, I don't remember the numbers, but on the underside, the beginning of the wheel well, right there, that first line, I got me 2 little bumps there of glue. I can feel it. That's where that way I know I'm there. Well, folks, there you go. That is the FMS 90 18th anniversary Avanti. Great flying plane, and I hope I didn't make my cameraman mad or camera lady mad today, flying too close to her. All right, God bless y'all. God is good, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and the Avanti 90s. Bye, y'all.